South America, land and climate. South America is the fourth largest continent and is a part of Latin America. Latin America is a name given to the region formed by South America, Central America, Mexico, and the West Indies. Do you know the reason for this name? Latin was the language of the ancient Romans, and number of European languages such as Portuguese, Spanish, and Italian have developed from this ancient language. The region is called Latin America because a large number of people, mainly from Portugal and Spain, had settled in these countries, and today they form the majority of the population there. South America has a shape of a giant triangle. South America's latitudinal extent is from 12 degrees north and 55 degrees south latitude, and longitudinally it is between 35 degrees west and 81 degrees west, covering an area of about 17.8 million square kilometers. The equator passes through the northern part of the continent, almost at the mouth of the river Amazon. South America is almost surrounded by ocean except in the north, where it is joined to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. Do you know what an isthmus is? A narrow strip of land connecting two large land masses is called isthmus. It has the Pacific Ocean on the west and the Atlantic Ocean on the east. The southernmost tip of South America is known as the Cape Horn,